In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable cookies on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and basically if cookies are currently disabled in your Safari browser, then you might be experiencing some problems viewing some websites. And now I'm going to show you how we can easily fix that issue. All you have to do is just head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find Safari. Here it is. We need to get into Safari settings first. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and then tap at Advanced here. That's where you can easily find the option Block All Cookies, and if it is enabled on your device, like in my case, it means that currently all cookies on all the websites are currently blocked, and to enable cookies on your iPhone, you just need to deactivate that option. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.